Hello everybody, this is the Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with you for lecture number 37. Lecture number 37 is about types of subject. Please watch my video, like it and do subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Types of subject. When I discuss about types of subject, in the very beginning, I say, what do we mean by the word subject? Subject is actually defined as that part of the sentence about which the predicate is written. For example, this is called sentence, and in this sentence we have two parts. One is subject and the second one is called predicate. Now subject is that part about which the predicate is written. The predicate is written about subject, and except subject, the remaining part is called predicate. So it is quite clear to us that subject is that part of the sentence about which the predicate is written, and predicate is that part which is except subject in a sentence. So it is quite clear to us that predicate is written about subject, and subject is that part about which the predicate is written. So we know very well that subject is a very unique part in a sentence, because all the action which is performed by the very person or the very noun or the very pronoun in the sentence, that very pronoun or noun can be called as subject. So we today, it is quite in the mind of people that how many types of subjects are there. Actually there are three types of subjects, but you must understand that three types of subject. What is that? The very first one is simple subject. One is called simple subject. The second one is called compound subject. The third one is called complex subject. These three are considered to be the types of subject. But in order to differentiate it further, we understand that simple subject is further divided into four different categories. The very first one is that in simple subject, we are concerned with pronoun as subject, and then in pronoun we are further concerned with two types. One is interrogative pronoun, and the second is called personal pronoun. Interrogative pronoun and personal pronouns, these are used as subjects. When I discuss about simple subject, the second type is proper noun as subject. So in order to understand the types of simple subject, we surely understand this thing that these are like the functions of a subject. The third is, when we say about proper noun, so there is also improper noun, and this improper noun is also used as subject. The fourth one is expletive subject. And anyhow, we also have another one which is called preparatory subject. So these are some types of subject that these subject patterns should be taught by me, each and every one in detail. So you people are requested to follow my channel for each and every lecture ahead. We are not here to teach about things extraordinarily, but rather we are just going to teach things what we have learned in our career. Dear fellows, this sketch is quite clear to you that what are the types of subject. In simple subject, compound subject, complex subject, these are the three different types. and each and every type should be clear to my viewers with the help of examples. I hope so. This video is quite clear to you. In the very next video, I will be here with you with types of simple subject. Thank you all. Best of luck. Hope so. Remember me in your prayers.